Okay. Andy, when you move that out, okay, make sure you're on the firm footing and go gently, all right? Okay, so when you're ready, lads, yeah? Yeah, you're doing great, love, yeah? Halfway there, girl. Okay, just there. Okay, boys, when you're ready. Lift. Go on.
You could see what these guys are working with, the care they're taking. I kicked off on them before, typical me. Got a mouth before I engage brain, but I just wanted to get you out. They haven't got a magic wand, they've got to plan, think ahead. Can't afford to just blunder in like me. Don't drift off, Molly!
Molly!
Don't drift off! I don't want to be sat here talking to a wall about a lifetime of that with Kevin.
Okay, Sally, listen to me. Sally, listen to me. We've removed the ends. Obviously, we need to move what's left of the beam itself, okay? And to do that, love, I've got to time it down to the second, all right?
When they lift it, a blood pressure will drop through the floor.
She can barely string a sentence together as it is.
It's okay. That's why we need these guys. And a very fast ambulance. But listen, you're doing great. You just keep doing what you're doing, okay? And I'll be right with you. Go on, girl. Go on.
I need to say, before I go,
I won't leave you. I'm going to come with you in the ambulance. And it won't be long now.
I'm dying.
Okay, boys, get this path clear for evacuation now. Okay, let's do this now. Come on.
Listen. He chose you. Because you are beautiful. Inside. As well as out.
Got to stay positive.
Listen. If I could put things right, with all my heart, I would. Except for Jack. I don't regret Jack.
Oh, God. This is wrong. It's not me you should be talking to, it's Tyrone. No, I'm not leaving him, Molly. I'm just saying I could go and get him. It's fine. It's fine. I'm here.
I don't want to die on my own.
I won't leave you. Is there a message? Anything you want to say?
To Kevin.
To Tyrone?
Don't be nice to me. I can't bear it. We never laughed at you. We loved each other for a while. But he chose you and your girls, not me and my boy. I didn't want to hurt you. Don't now. If Jack's not gonna have his mummy, oh, he's gonna need his daddy.
But nobody knows who Jack's dad is.
He knows. I know. No. You know.
I don't. Who is it? Molly, who is it?
It's Kevin. I'm sorry. It's Kevin. Darling. Please. Please. Yeah. Don't hate me. Sally. Please don't leave. Don't leave me.
Why is everyone standing about out here, eh?
There's no more!
Let me through!
Wait,
Don't let anyone through! Let me through! Please! Sal! Sally, it's me! Sal, it's me! It's you! Sal! No! No! No, Sally, please don't tell me I'm too late, please! Please! No!